Hello grade 3s, today we will be doing expanded notation. Let me just turn it around. Expanded notation. What is expanded notation? I must expand this number. 11 is equal to, what is my first number I see? My first number is a number 1. But how many digits are after number 1? Only 1. So we replace that digit with a 0. So that's a 10. 1, 10. How many? What's the number after number 1? Also a 1. How many digits are after the 1? No digits. So I leave the 1 like that. 16. What is my first number? My first number is a 1. And my first number comes in front. How many are the digits? Let's first ask the question, are the digits after this 1? Yes, there is 1 digit. So how many zeros will come here? Only 1. What? Now we look at after. What is next to the 1? A 6. A 6. So what comes after the plus a 6? So the expanded notation of 16 is 10 plus 6. What's my first number? A number 2. So I write him in front of my plus. That's 2 tens. A 10 needs a 0, eh? How many digits are after the 2? 1 digit. So how many zeros come there? Only 1. What is my next number? Now I say plus. What is my next number? A 6. And my 6 come way on the other side. Are there or is there a digit after the 6? No. So no zeros. So the expanded notation of 26 is 20 plus 6. Sometimes I like to do that so that I can know, okay, my plus come there. My plus, this is how I'm going to break it up. So when I look at 95, what is the expanded notation of 95? My plus there so that I can know that's in front of the plus, that comes after the plus. Remember, before my paper get marked, I must erase those ugly pluses, eh? I must erase it so that it can look nice, so that my work can look nice. Only if it's necessary for me to remember. Further on, don't mess on your paper if you don't have to. What's in front? A 9. How many digits are there after my 9? Only 1 digit. So how many zeros will come there? Only 1. What is after the 9? A 5. So number, what's going to come here? Number 5. Make his hat. Make his back. Make his tummy round and fat. So the expanded notation of 95 is 90 plus 5. Now guys, here are 3 numbers. I put my plus there, I put my plus there. Oops, let me erase my other plus. 142. So what's going to come here? What's my first number? A 1. How many digits are after this 1? 1, 2. Let's say how many zeros? 1, 2. 1, 2. For 100. What is my second number? A 4. How many digits after the 4? Only 1. What digit is that? A number? 2. So how many zeros? Only 1. My last number is a number 2. Are there any digits after my 2? No. That 2 looks so ugly. Let me make it nicer. Half hearts will never do. Slide to the right and make a 2. So the expanded notation of 142 is 100 plus 40 plus 2. Now here's a difficult number. 101. Erase that ugly pluses. It don't belong there. It don't belong there. That's my work. So it's plus. So it is plus. Plus. Oh, I must make it light so when I erase it, it don't look dark. Okay. My first number is a 1. How many digits after my 1? 2 digits. My second number is a 0. After 0, there are... I'm not going to write the digit. I'm not writing another 0. It's just 0. So 0 stay 0. How many? What's the next number? A 1. How many digits after my 1? No digits, so I just write 1. So the expanded notation of 101 is 100 plus 0 plus 1. So if that had to be a 2, it would have been 200 plus 0 plus 1. So the 0 stay a 0. I don't go, oh, there must come another 0. No, 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 I don't do that. The 0 stays a 0. Okay? Let me erase. I'm not going to mess on my page anymore because now I know how to do my work. I remember how to break up. So I'm not going to mess anymore. So let's look. 110. What's my first number? A 1. How many digits after my 1? 2. That means 2 zeros. What's my second number? Number 1. Are there a digit after number? Is there a digit after number 1? Yes. How many? 1. And I replace that digit with a 0. Yes, that's a 0. What's my last one? A 0. And remember, a 0 stays a 0. I'm not even going to bother to look if there's a digit. So the expanded notation of 110 is 100 plus 10 plus 0. Let's look at 221. What is my first number? 2. How many digits? 1, 2. 2 digits. So that means 2 zeros. Plus 2. How many digits after my 2? 1 digit. So there comes a 0. What's my last number? 1. Is there any digits? No. So the expanded notation of 221 is 200 plus 20 plus 1. And that is my expanded notation.